everyone we know that works on the tools, you've got to wake up to this problem. This could save you your life. Hi guys, Rich from ITS, and frankly this video is a little bit of a ranty video today. We've been doing a load of videos and some shoots on Makita, on 40 volt, 18 volt, 12 volt, some really good stuff. But I've come into this little site that we're using to do this, and out here is just absolutely covered in dust. So I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to talk to you about dust extraction, because I still don't think half of you guys out there running on the tools get how important it is, and it drives me nuts. Because HSE are always releasing like new stats, and I know stats are boring, but at the moment I think it's something like 500 people that work in construction or builders or contractors, 500 people every year die from dust related illnesses, and that's not including all the people that die 10 years early or 20 years early because they spent an entire career routing, sanding, cutting without proper dust extraction. And look, we're here in a garage, right? Garage conversion. You can see the doors here are completely open. The doors haven't been put on yet. And how many guys working in this sort of environment will go, oh look, we've got plenty of fresh air. I can just do me cuts and I don't need me dust extraction. Well, look at the floor. Look, at the end of a day's work, the floor is absolutely covered. And if you haven't got dust extraction, that's not just going on the floor, it's in the air, it's getting into your lungs and it's clogging it up. And it might not affect you today, but it might next week, it might next year, it might in 10 years. If you're a family person, think of the kids, think of the grandkids. There is absolutely no point, and I know you will think it's a faff sticking a dust extractor on your tool, but think to yourself, is this a faff? Yeah, that's how much of a faff. And most of these now, they take like 30 seconds to put in. Most of them run off power takeoff, so you can plug it into your power tool, and within seconds, this thing cuts in as soon as you start cutting. The cords, you think, oh, these are just going to get in the way. They don't. Most of the places where you can hook in a dust extractor now, around the back of the saws, around the back of the miter saws, to the sides of your jigsaws, and most of these will get rid of 99.9% of harmful particles in the air. If you're not using a dust extractor, you've got absolutely no excuse in this day and age. This could save you your life. And if you are all about saving time and being efficient, promise you the amount of times you take to cut, blow, cut, blow, cut, blow, just stick one of these in, they won't have any dust there to blow. So you can do cut, 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 and then tidying up at the end of the job as well is so much quicker and easier. I really, really can't stress it enough. Please guys, if you're doing any form of working with timber, please get your extractor game sorted out.